There's one of them. That's Bianca. Bianca, this is it. They're on play day today. They're out playing, and they're taking a look at things and how things are going. Yeah, there you go. That's Blaze and Beacon. And Bianca and Bliss. This one here is trying to get Copper from that Bling and Beacon. Bling, are you going to get everybody? Bling is an ornery little devil. She is into everything. She is something. And there's Bliss getting Blanca's. Yep, there she is. And then we have Blaze and Beacon. And they're having a good time. And that's Panda. She's looking to see the puppy. And that's Copper. Copper wants in there so bad. Copper says, I love puppies. And now we're playing. We're playing. That's Panda's. Panda wants to play with the puppies too.
There's Mommy. No, that's Panda.
There's Panda. I'm not sure where Mom went. There's Beacon. And this is, let's see, what's the date today? It's the 27th of March, I believe.
Yep.
Oh, Copper likes puppies. Copper loves puppies. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. She loves puppies, yes. Copper wants to get those puppies. What are you chewing on? Everybody chews on that crate. It's just...
Hey, boss, just take a picture of me, Mom. I'm King Dog.
King Dog. King Dog. And they're going to get through the... see, they'll go through all these pipes and stuff eventually. It's good for them, and they're climbing it. It's helping them. Climbing is good for them, too. So they're running around here having a good time. Bliss and Bling. And I would like to take pictures of them without doggies sticking their face in the camera.
No, it says I want the picture.
Yeah. I want to get in there. Yeah.
Sugar.
They're enjoying it. Keeps Mommy. Mommy'd have a cow if somebody. Where is Mommy? Flash? Flash.
It's right there.
Flash, are you watching over this? You're watching over this? You're just taking care. That's Mama. That's the Mama Flash.
And Meatball's daddy, too.
And then there's Meatball. Back to Meatball. Oh, there he is. The King Dog. He says, where's my treat? I don't know. None of them turned out like you, Meatball. None of them. No. Although Beacon has your face. Ah! No. No puppies. I'm trying to take pictures of the puppies, not everybody else. Oh well, we'll just have to do the aerial shot. They're having a good time. This is the first time in a big pen. This is their big pen for now. They'll go into even bigger later. But right now, there they are. Okay. Well,
who is that barking?